Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the protective cover from the bottom of the motor. Now I have access to the brush caps, and I'll remove the first one. With the cap removed, I can pull the brush from the brush holder. Now I'll replace the first brush. I insert it into the brush holder, then I align the ears on the side of the brush clip with the openings in the holders. I compress the spring and replace the cap. I don't want to over-tighten the cap or I can crack it. Now repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cover. I want to make sure that the open end is facing the rear of the tool. And that's how easy it is to replace the motor brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.